Have you ever making a typography design? Today I'll show you how to make a cool text effect in Canva. It's perfect for making a presentation look amazing. Let's get started. First, choose your canvas. You can use any size, portrait or landscape. Don't forget to pick a background color. I'll use brown. Next, insert your picture. I'll use a picture of a woman and lower the opacity to 34. Now, let's add some word frames. Type your word in elements and choose the frame option. We'll use the word woman. Make sure to pick a similar font for each word. Insert the same picture into each word and adjust the picture to the same position. To make it look even better, let's add some text in the background. Click text, add a heading, and type woman. Change the effect to hollow. Fill the canvas with this word by duplicating it and adjusting as you like. Drag it to the first page, tilt it, enlarge it, and send it to the back. Lower the transparency to 9. And that's it! That's how you create a special text effect in Canva. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give us a like, comment below for any questions, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Happy editing!